I recently saw a program about a dinosaur graveyard in South America, Argentine, I think. Can you tell us anything about this? Was it the result of a flood?
Of course it was. It's called the Flood of Noah. There are tremendous amounts of dinosaur remains in Patagonia, particularly in Argentina. And one of the things that we take note of is that in Argentina, we find some of the single largest dinosaurs ever found in the fossil record. We find titanosaurs that have lengths up in the areas of 125 foot long. That's a pretty big animal. But remember, all fossils are found in sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock means deposited by water. All fossils are found, therefore, in layers of dried out mud, and this speaks specifically to a worldwide flood in the past, in which all these creatures died at the same time. They did not die slowly, gradually, over millions and billions of years. When animals die on the surface, they're not buried. They rot, they are eaten, they blow away, but only burial by water preserves and preserves well.
In fact, in one of the museums in London, I'm trying to remember which one it was, they actually don't have an explanation. They said all these dinosaurs were collected together and they were on high ground. So what would happen if the water started to rise? Guess where the dinosaurs or all the animals would head for? They'd bunch up somewhere on higher ground. And the museum actually has on the writing there, we don't know why they were all there together. Well, they just don't accept the flood, Noah's flood. So, you know, but as Grady said, for that to be impacted and preserved the way it was, had to be covered in mud. Okay? You know, if it wasn't, otherwise they'd be just disintegrate. Over the years, but they're finding these dinosaurs in these situations because there was a sudden impact by water and mud and everything else, which then encased them for future generations to find out.